I enjoy looking at other people's homes, so I thought I'd give you a quick little tour of mine, starting with the foyer. Here's a little picture, two little pictures of what the foyer looked like before we moved in. Not too long ago, we also added this new door system. The foyer started here and over here on this side, so this extension was added at some point. I'm not sure when, in the 80s perhaps, which gave us a lot more landing room. A little shelf with some postcards in it and hooks to hang up our dog gear, and another little hook system for grandkids to hang up their coats. This is south facing to west, so we get a lot of great light in here, and it's actually the best place in the house to grow plants. This is a Scheffler I bought from IKEA years ago, and I've cut it back. It was almost up to the ceiling, and last summer I cut it back to about 3-4 feet now. And my favorite plants currently are these string of pearls. They do really well hanging in this window, get longer and longer. And another one over here with an oak leaf plant. And on this side, another string of pearls. And a string of turtles, I think it's called. We have a little IKEA shelf here holding our winter gear right now. Usually there's shopping bags in there as well. A little garbage can that I duplicated the pattern on this tin and printed it out. And another, I'm not sure the name of this plant, but this is the only place in the house where it will actually grow, and a bit of ivy with it. A couple of framed postcards I got at Value Village. I think I got these for less than $6 total. And I think they're really pretty. I like the blue frames. And because our closet to store coats is at the top of the stairs, we put this mirror in that also has more hooks. This is a useful little bench to sit on, to put our shoes on, and the side bench for the grandkids to sit on and put their shoes on. We put this new light fixture in when we moved in as well. A clock that I got from Amazon. I painted the hands gold on it. They were initially silver and they were hard to see. The yellow quilt was thrifted. I made the one beside it, and I made this one over here. If we look way up is the original doorbell that came with the house. I kind of like it. Everybody always wonders what it is, and I like the teal blue color that's in it, and we incorporated that into a lot of the decor in our living and dining room. Some more plants and pyramid stand that is our junk drawers.